morning, guys. You're so silly. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. I don't know what day this is. So we clearly just woke up and look crazy. Raina's there too. Hi, Mama. We are going to get ourselves situated and we'll be back. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. See you later. Alligator. You gotta touch it. You gotta pick it up. Orange, like the oranges you eat. Orange. Yes. Good job. Can you show me one more? Alright guys, so I am actually in one of my favorite places, and it's not even because of the food, it's because of this part. Ricky called and said he was going to grab some food, so he asked if me and the girls wanted to go with him to Cracker Barrel. I love Cracker Barrel, guys. I love like just shopping through here. They always have like some super cool little knickknacks and things. Like, I love it, especially the home stuff. That's really my favorite part about Cracker Barrel is the home stuff. Coffee is always a good idea. Yes, honey. Look, Cracker Barrel was one of my grandmother's favorite places to come. She loved coming here and getting the Tate's cookies. So it kind of just turned into my favorite place. It has like nice memories, you know? Anyway. We have a little bit of a wait, so I'm just gonna go back out here to the car and wait in the car with the kids and with Ricky. And yeah, so we didn't do much vlogging today, right? Oh, we went to Cracker Barrel for lunch, and then we kind of just hung out. But it was a nice day. Yeah. going on this morning. We are doing our Christmas photo shoot today. In addition to that, we are also doing a little family shoot that I was supposed to put together like forever ago, and I just haven't. So Raina is actually 4 months old today, and she has a onesie that my good friend Jackie made for her. It says "New to the Crew," and then we all have t-shirts that say "The Crew," but her onesie is 0 to... Oh my god, Ava scared the mess out of me. Good morning, baby. Oh, hi. So we all have shirts that say "The Crew," so I thought that was cute. We're the crew. She's new to the crew. It's gonna be super simple. White backdrop, denims, white t-shirt, done. So I'm just kind of getting the creases out of my hair from sleeping on it last night, and I've already done my makeup. I have to iron our shirts, and then we're good to go. Ava just woke up. Look at this hair, y'all. Hi, mama. Say hi. Hi. So I have to tackle this hair next. She went to sleep without her bonnet on, so this is going to be very interesting detangling. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yeah. Give mama a kiss. I love you. Behind the scenes of the family photo shoot today. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come here really quick because I didn't really vlog over the weekend. It was like we had a lot going on with the family photos and things like that, so I didn't really have a chance to do any vlogging. So today what we're doing is Christmas is like in a week and a half or something like that, and I'm not finished my Christmas shopping. So it is 10 o'clock. The mall opened at 10. I should have been there at 10, but I had left Raina's car seat in Ricky's car. Oh my god. So he just got here. The mall just opened at 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock now. So whenever I have to go somewhere with them with COVID and stuff being still around, I like to try and get there like first thing in the morning or when they first open. So we're gonna go to the mall now and hopefully finish all of the Christmas shopping so that we could be done with that. Then I need to start packing them up because we're actually heading to DC for Christmas. I'll talk to you more about that a little bit later. And yeah, so shopping, I got laundry to do, the other normal mom things. So we'll see how the day goes. Gosh, y'all, these children have me feeling crazy. Ava won't stop touching things. Raina was super fussy, and I just literally was walking with my wrap on, feeding her, pushing Ava at the same time, and carrying a shopping bag. Oh my goodness. I still have a couple more places to stop, and then we're gonna just head home and call it a day. I'm really trying to get the rest of this Christmas shopping out of the way so I can be done with it, but I'm starting to get a little anxious. Like, they are giving me anxiety because it's just too much. Like the touching, the constant, stop doing this, don't touch that, don't come back over here. It's like, it's too much. But now everybody's calm. So my next stop is Target, and I'm gonna get some coffee while I'm in there, and maybe maybe I'll feel differently after I have my coffee. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day. I don't know what day it is, but anyway, I've been trying, you guys, to vlog every day, but it's really hard, especially with 2 kids. Sometimes they start acting crazy or start getting fussy, and it is difficult. So I think I missed a couple days, but I'm not that far off track. I am in the parking lot right now. We're about to go into Raina's 4-month checkup. Ava's at her aunt's. Ricky dropped her off because only one adult is allowed with the patients. So, and that's her back there kicking. Raina, hi, mommy. Are you ready to get checked out? Right? Who wants to go to the doctor's? But, we're gonna go in here. I'm sure everything's fine. She's looking nice and healthy. And, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so let me tell you guys what's going on. They've changed things up just a little bit here. Before, I would come and they check me in, and Raina and I will go sit in the infant waiting room. They only allow, you know, newborns in there to keep you away from everyone else. Now, with COVID numbers rising, what they had me do is I just checked in, and now I'm going to go back and wait in my car, and they're going to call me on the cell phone when the doctor is ready to see her. I'm actually really happy to see that they're making those type of changes and just like keeping everyone, you know, socially distanced. When I went in there, it was only one other person in there checking in, but the waiting room itself, aside from the people who work at the desk, was completely empty. So I really do like that. So now we're just gonna go back to the car and wait for them to call us. Raina, you gonna say hi now? Look, say hello. Oh, so hi, mama. Okay, Raina's like, yeah, whatever. All right, so we're gonna go. Okay, so that was fast. We literally had just sat down in the car and they called us like right away. So hopefully we're in and out and can go on about our day, because I do have a few more things that I need to do today, and I want to try and get some things done while I don't have Ava with me. Sometimes running my errands with a toddler, especially during COVID, is super hard because I'm constantly like, don't touch this, don't touch that, wait, my anxiety is always at a 10, but we'll see. Guys, Rainy got her ears pierced today. Can you see them? Hi, mama. She's a little upset right now. Hi, mama, but they're so pretty. You're a pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, she's mad with me. Hi, pretty girl. Hey guys, so Raina's doctor's appointment went well. She ended up getting her ears pierced, but she's probably gonna have to go back and get them re-pierced because one of the ears is like perfect, right? And then on the other one, you can basically, like, if you're looking straight at her head on, you can see like the back of the ear, like the earring back or whatever. Is because she was squirming so much and moving around, it was hard to like really hold her still. So he told me go home, you know, see how I feel about it, and then if I don't like it, take it out today and she can get it redone in 1 month. So I made her a 1 month appointment already, and if I'm okay with it, then we'll just cancel the appointment. But right now she's gonna probably get it re-pierced. So I'm pulling up to Starbucks right now. Actually, I said I was gonna try all of these like holiday drinks, which I'm usually like just a regular cappuccino drinker. So let's try one. Hi, can I try your caramel brulee latte?
Okay, what size would you like that?
I'll do a grande.
Okay, you want that hot?
I'll take it hot.
Okay, anything else?
Nope, that's just without whipped cream though.
Oh yeah, I can do that for you.
And almond milk. I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
I always forget that. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so grande caramel brulee with almond milk and no weird. So it comes out to $6.
Y'all, that sounds like it's gonna be super sweet. I'm not really like a super sweet coffee drinker, so we'll see. But I have tried the praline latte and I like that, but I like it cold. I like it iced. We'll see how this one tastes. Thank you. Can I get a straw also?
Of course you can.
All right, guys, so I got the coffee. Let's see what it tastes like. It's not bad, and it's not overly sweet. Actually, I probably wouldn't order it again though. It feels like it's missing something. Now, it's not bad. It doesn't have really any oomph to it. The praline latte is better. It's just okay. Nothing special though. Okay, so aside from that, we just pulled up to Walmart. I just ordered Ava's I can take this off. I just ordered Ava's Christmas gift, so I did a pickup. So they should be coming out shortly. I already called and let them know that I was here. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some space in my trunk so that they can put it in. And Raina just woke up, so I'm probably gonna take her out and feed her while I'm waiting for them to bring up my order. I ordered Ava a Elsa bike, and it has like a little what is that, like a car seat behind the seat where she can put like her dolls and stuff. So I thought that was so cute. So you know I'm gonna have to get her a doll also. Oh, here comes the bike. It's so cute. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so this is definitely one of those days I should have drove Ricky's truck. I thought it was gonna still be in the box. So I have, like, for my car to be so small, I actually have pretty good like trunk space, and I thought that it was gonna be in the box, so I would have been able to put it in there, but it was actually already assembled, which is great because then I don't have to worry about doing it. But my trunk won't close all the way, so I'm gonna drive slow, and I'm literally right down the street from my sister-in-law's house, so I'm gonna head there and drop the bike off and let Ricky pick it up when he gets off work. He can just swing by there and get it. And Ava's actually over there, so it's gonna be very interesting for me to try and hide this from her. I don't want her to see it, so I need to drive really slow because my trunk is open.